Today we have the 2016 BMW 3 Series. This vehicle has done just over 56,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a petrol fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, as well as our keyless ignition. To the right, we have voice control, automatic wipers, and automatic headlights. Moving on to our screen, we can access media, radio, smartphone integration, and navigation. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with rear parking sensors. Just below our screen is our dual zone climate control. And if we press our mode button, we can switch between Sport Plus, Sport, Comfort, and Eco Pro.